Hello, my name is Alex Salas, and this is my final project for my database class. And for my final project, what I did was a database that visualizes the frame data of a fighting video game that I really enjoy, which is Dragon Ball Fighterz. And I created a table of the 5 characters that I wanted to analyze in this database, and these are the 5 characters. And I also analyzed their normal moves, their special moves, their super moves, and alongside their 3 assists. And with the tags, I also kept in mind the frame data, which is what I was trying to collect all along. And without going into too much detail of frame data, there is 60 frames in 1 second, and all of these attacks take time to actually perform. So once you know how fast these attacks are, you know in what situations they can be used. And I also included the frame advantage, which is really important, which is how many frames you're negative if they block that certain attack. If you're not really into the fighting game community, it's really hard to understand frame data. But what this is giving me a better visualization of the chessboard, and then I can use that information to better know when it's my turn to play offense and when it's my turn to play defense. For example, let's say that Goku here uses his quarter forward ki blast, which is a Kamehameha, and it has a frame advantage of -16 on block. So if you block this attack, Goku is -16 frames. So we can come to the normals tables and search for the attacks that have a startup of less than 16, and we get something that looks like this. So these are all the attacks that can be used to punish that quarter forward ki blast once you've blocked it. And this was what I was saying when it gives me a better representation of what I can use in certain situations. And in the future, I can add way more than the 5 characters. I can add the entire roster, and I can really know when it's my turn to attack and when it's my turn to play defense. So yeah, that's been an overall review of my database. Thank you so much for your time and attention.